Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you about 5 beautiful birds of Africa. Number 1. Lilac-breasted roller. With its vibrant feathers of lilac, blue, green, and white, this bird is a true gem of African skies. Its aerial acrobatics and striking colors make it a favorite among birdwatchers. Number 2. African crowned crane. This majestic bird, with its golden crown of feathers atop its head and a vibrant red throat pouch, is not only visually stunning but also holds cultural significance in many African societies. Number 3. Southern carmine bee-eater. These birds are a dazzling sight with their bright carmine plumage and long tail feathers. They can often be seen perched on branches or in flight, hunting insects. Number 4. Superb starling. Found in East Africa, this bird lives up to its name with its glossy blue and orange feathers. It's a common sight in savanna habitats and often seen foraging for food on the ground. Number 5. Greater flamingo. These elegant birds are known for their distinctive pink plumage and long, slender necks. They can be found in various wetland habitats across Africa, where they feed on algae and small invertebrates. Thank you guys to watch my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video.